everyone, welcome back. I am Morgan and this is At Home with the Sevies, and today's video is a playroom makeover but deep clean. This was after Christmas. This was the night of Christmas or the day after for Christmas. Yes, I am in PJs and just had a shower. But I really wanted to get this done. I did make a shelf. Like the second shelf is like my stuff, where I keep bills and like my planner stuff, like just so I have an area. Also, today is my birthday, December 30th, and I am working on editing this video because I want to have a lot of my videos ready to go for the new year, and you guys are seeing this in the new year, so I hope you guys had a good New Year's Eve and stuff too. Also, tell me in the comments what videos you guys would want me to do. I do cleaning, organizing, baking, cooking, decorating. I do a lot of it. I can also start doing mommy content if you want. I have a 3-year-old girl and a 5-year-old stepson that is autistic. And I am also married, and I am from Ohio as well. And if you are new, please let me know in the comments, and make sure that you are subscribed. Because sometimes YouTube likes to take people off, and make sure your notifications are on as well on all. And I upload once a week on Wednesdays. I also have a good question for you guys. If you don't mind telling me in the comments, what is one of your New Year's resolutions? Tell me in the comments. One of mine would definitely getting to my goal of 500 subscribers by next year around this time. That would be nice. I've been pushing myself and trying to make sure I have content out there, but doing a video once a week is the easiest for me. But let me know in the comments what your New Year's resolution is as well, and I will comment back to you. And in my next video, after this one, I will do shout outs, 2 shout outs with your guys' New Year's resolutions on it. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram to know when I post. Especially I do like waiting so long, like a timer basically for my videos to come out. I just wanted to get back on here real quick and let you guys know to make sure to comment, share this video, and make sure you like, comment, do it all as well. It helps my channel out. And remember to subscribe. Subscribing does not cost anything. It is completely free. And again, make sure you tell me in the comments what your New Year's resolution is, if you don't mind telling me. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys got motivation as well.